AnyDesk software. What is AnyDesk software and how to install in our system? So let's see one by one. So first of all, AnyDesk is a remote desktop application distributed by AnyDesk software. So now second part is how to download it. So open this website. Don't worry, I provide this website in description box. So open it, and this is the interface of AnyDesk software website. You can see here, you simply click on download now button. Once you click on it, it start downloading automatically. And here you can see the downloading are successfully complete. So open this exe file. And you can see here, this is the interface of AnyDesk application, and this is your address. In this way you also download the AnyDesk software and use it. So I hope so this video is little helpful for you. So please leave a like and make sure to subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe, keep learning. Thanks for watching.